is Alexa, and this is my friend Fred, and together we do kid activities with Alexa. So if you're wondering how to teach your child at home, or even what to teach them during that first year, I got you, mama, because I am going to tell you there is so much stuff that you can teach them during that first year. And you can find activities that are age appropriate, that are edible safe, and that are fun. I know your little one doesn't have the attention span to do these long activities, or maybe this super complicated all material that you need to gather, and then they spend 5 minutes and then they leave. I get you, mama. I went through the same thing, and this is why I created this product. I met with speech pathologists, I met with teachers. I know exactly what you can teach your child at 1 year old, and I put it all in a book, so it's easy, so you don't have to spend thousands of hours on Pinterest looking for an idea only to realize it's not age appropriate or your child didn't like it. So there's 32 weeks of lessons, activities that are gonna work on fine motor skills, cognitive skills, gross skills, which are like those big movements of the arm. There's pre-writing skills, so that you get that pencil graph, so later it's going to be a lot easier for them to grab a pencil. And it has 32 different themes. So each theme you're gonna have to you work with something, let's say like the farm animals, and then this week is gonna be about the cow. You get finger puppets, you get songs, you get activities that you can do, easy printables that you can print out and then make your puppets. So it is like, mama, I got you covered, everything in one place. You're gonna be able to go from I want to teach my child but I don't know where, all the way to like, I know exactly what to do this week, what do I need, and how am I gonna make it happen. It has a schedule that you can follow, or it has tips that you can create your own schedule. It has all the activities and everything that you need. It has seasonal activities, so if it's Christmas coming up, or Thanksgiving, or even Halloween if you celebrate that, there's activities for that. So I want to invite you to grab it now for this amazing special price, because this will disappear and then you're gonna be wondering and spending so much time trying to figure it out. So I got you, mama. It is easy, it is flexible, and it is all right there for you. So there's a lot of things that you can do this year. Trust me, you're gonna have a ton of fun, and I can't wait to see what you guys do. So click below, buy it, because this special price is like once in a lifetime. I can't wait to see what you guys do. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook, tag me on your activities, and let's have some fun together.